How to start a home gym. Looking to get fit without the hassle of crowded gyms or expensive memberships? Well, starting your own home gym is easier than you might think. Today we'll explore exactly how to start a home gym and turn your space into the ultimate fitness zone. So let's get started. First of all, define your fitness goals. Before diving into equipment or layouts, take a moment to define your fitness goals. What do you hope to achieve with your home gym? Are you looking to build muscle, improve endurance, or lose weight, or simply maintain a more active lifestyle? Your goals will dictate the design, layout, and equipment of your home gym, so it's essential to get clear on what you want. For instance, if strength training is your primary focus, prioritize weights, resistance bands, and a sturdy bench. If improving cardiovascular fitness is the goal, investing in a treadmill, exercise bike, or a jump rope might be a better option. Take the time to write down your objectives and break them into short-term and long-term goals. Having a clear plan not only helps you select the right equipment, but also keeps you motivated. Remember, your fitness goals are the foundation of your gym. It should be a space that aligns with your aspirations and inspires you to achieve them. So, evaluate your space. The next step in setting up your home gym is deciding where to create your workout area. Well, the good news is that you don't need a massive space. Sometimes even a small corner can work wonders if you organize it well. Begin by assessing the available space in your home and any limitations you might face. Basements, garages, spare bedrooms, or even patios are excellent options that can be transformed into functional workout areas. Now, pay close attention to flooring, ventilation, and lighting. Durable surfaces like rubber mats or foam tiles are essential to protect your floor from heavy equipment and reduce noise. Good ventilation, whether from windows, fans, or air conditioning, keeps the space comfortable and fresh. Now, don't overlook bright lighting. Natural light can energize you, while artificial lighting options can help maintain focus during evening workouts. A well-chosen location lays the foundation for a productive workout environment, and with thoughtful preparation, even a modest space can become an inspiring fitness zone. Next, choose the right equipment. Selecting the right equipment is crucial to creating an effective home gym. Remember, quality always trumps quantity. It's better to start with a few high-quality pieces that align with your fitness goals than to clutter your space with unnecessary items. If strength training is your focus, consider essentials like dumbbells, kettlebells, or resistance bands. These versatile tools are perfect for a variety of exercises and don't take up much space. For bodyweight enthusiasts, a pull-up bar, yoga mat, or stability ball can provide endless options for functional training. If cardio is your priority, a jump rope is an inexpensive yet effective choice. Those with more room might invest in a compact treadmill, rowing machine, or stationary bike. Multifunction equipment such as adjustable dumbbells or a power rack can maximize both space and workout versatility. You don't have to buy everything at once. Begin with the basics, gradually expanding your collection as your fitness routine evolves. Thoughtful equipment choices ensure your home gym meets your needs without overwhelming your space or budget. Next up, budget smartly. Creating a home gym doesn't have to cost a fortune. Setting a realistic budget is the first step to making your fitness dreams a reality without overspending. Begin by deciding how much you're willing to invest and stick to that number. Prioritize essential equipment based on your fitness goals and explore cost-effective options. Look for deals on second-hand equipment through online marketplaces, local classifieds, or community groups. Many people sell lightly used gym equipment at a fraction of the original price, which can significantly reduce your costs. For those who enjoy a bit of creativity, DIY options can also save you money. Building your own weight racks or modifying an existing bench can be a fun and budget-friendly alternative. Additionally, keep an eye out for seasonal sales or discounts from fitness retailers. Start small and add to your gym over time as your needs grow and your budget allows. So with careful planning and resourcefulness, you can create an effective home gym at any price point while maintaining value and functionality. So next, let's look at how to create a workout-friendly atmosphere. The atmosphere of your home gym plays a significant role in how motivated you feel to use it regularly. Your gym should be an inviting and energizing space that encourages you to push through your workouts. Start by personalizing the area to suit your taste and fitness style. Adding mirrors can help you monitor your form during exercises while also making the space feel larger and brighter. Consider painting the walls in vibrant, uplifting colors or decorating them with motivational posters or artwork that inspires you to stay committed to your goals. Music is another key element. Invest in a good sound system or Bluetooth speakers to blast your favorite workout playlists or follow along with virtual fitness classes. Don't forget the practical details. Proper lighting, adequate ventilation, and even small touches like plants or a scent diffuser can enhance the overall your vibe. A workout-friendly atmosphere keeps you consistent and makes your gym a place you genuinely enjoy using. So prioritize safety and organization. Safety should always be your top priority when setting up a home gym. Properly installed and well-maintained equipment not only ensures effective workouts but also prevents injuries. Start by checking the stability of all your gear, especially heavier equipment like squat racks, treadmills or benches. Make sure they're placed on level surfaces and if necessary anchored securely. Organizing your space is equally important for minimizing hazards. Keep weights off the floor by storing them on racks and place smaller items like resistance bands, yoga mats and jump ropes in bins or on wall-mounted hooks. This reduces clutter and makes your gym more accessible. A first aid kit should be a permanent fixture in your gym for emergencies. And to enhance safety and comfort, consider adding a fan or a dehumidifier to manage temperature and humidity levels. A clean and organized gym is not just safer, but also creates a more pleasant and motivating environment for your workouts. Next, focus on versatility and multi-purpose tools. For a compact yet effective setup, focus on versatile equipment. Adjustable dumbbells, foldable benches, or all-in-one cable machines can serve multiple purposes while saving space. Resistance bands and suspension trainers are lightweight, portable, and offer full-body workout options. Investing in multi-use tools ensures you're getting the most out of your budget and space, giving you a wide variety of exercises without overcrowding your gym. Next up, establish a routine and stick to it. A home gym only works if you use it. Establish a workout routine that fits into your schedule and stick to it. Without the external motivation of a public gym, consistency can be challenging. Set reminders, track your progress, and create specific goals to keep yourself accountable. Consider following online workout programs or hiring a virtual trainer to guide you through your sessions. The key is to treat your home gym like a real gym and make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Next, add personal touches and flexibility. One of the perks of a home gym is customizing it to fit your lifestyle. Add elements like a mini fridge for water or protein shakes, a TV for workout videos, or even a yoga and meditation corner. Flexibility is important. Your gym should grow with your needs. Whether it's upgrading equipment or rearranging for new workout styles, adapt your setup as you evolve in your fitness journey. Next, maintenance and upkeep. Your home gym is an investment, so take care of it. Regularly clean your equipment to prevent wear and tear, and check for any damage or loose parts. Dusting and sanitizing your space not only prolongs the life of your equipment, but also keeps your workout area hygienic. Proper maintenance ensures your gym remains safe, functional, and inviting for years to come. And there you have everything you need to know about how to start a home gym. By planning your space, choosing the right equipment, and staying consistent, you can create a fitness haven that suits your goals and lifestyle. Ready to start your journey to better health? Let's make it happen! Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tips. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!